Success is when you achieve a goal that you've set for yourself. It can be something big like winning a competition or something small like finishing a puzzle. Success is different for everyone, and it's important to remember that what may be success for one person may not be the same for another. Success comes from hard work, determination, and perseverance. It's important to set realistic goals and work towards them step by step. Along the way, there may be obstacles or setbacks, but it's important to keep going and not give up. Remember that failure is a part of the process, and it's okay to make mistakes as long as you learn from them and keep trying. Success also comes from having a positive attitude and believing in yourself. When you believe in yourself, you can overcome challenges and achieve great things. So keep working hard, stay positive, and don't give up on your dreams. You can achieve success if you put in the effort and believe in yourself. Friendship is when two people care about each other and enjoy spending time together. Friends can be anyone, from classmates to neighbors to family members. Having friends is important because they can make us feel happy, supported, and loved. To be a good friend, it's important to be kind, honest, and respectful. This means treating your friends the way you would like to be treated. You should listen to their thoughts and feelings, and try to help them when they need it. You should also be honest with them, even if it's not always easy. Friendship is also about having fun together. You can play games, go on adventures, or just hang out and talk. It's important to find things you both enjoy doing and make time to do them together. Remember that friendships can sometimes have ups and downs, but if you care about each other and work through any problems, you can make your friendship even stronger. So be a good friend, have fun together, and enjoy the special bond that comes with having a true friend.